Hi, I'm Paul and I'm editor of Father Fitness. Father Fitness is my journey as a man, a husband and a father. I went from an unfit dad to a fitter dad, and nutrition is a key part of that journey. We're going to be using almond milk, water. The fruit we're going to be using is a banana and blueberries. The key ingredient of this smoothie is Manuka Honey. Now, Manuka Honey comes from New Zealand and it has more antibacterial properties than your normal everyday honey. I personally use Manuka Honey because it gives me that extra boost I need before a workout. So the first thing we need to do, we need cold water. Now, I've got 150 millilitres of cold water already in my mixing pot there. The next thing we're going to be using is blueberries. We're going to pop the blueberries into the water. We're now going to put in a small banana. So I'm just going to chop it up into pieces and pop that into the smoothie. I'm now going to use 150 millilitres of almond milk. I'm using almond milk for this smoothie because I have a dairy allergy, but you can use normal milk. Last but not least, we're using Manuka Honey. It gives me that extra kick I need before a workout. Pop the top on. That looks good to me. Look at that. How good does that look? If you wanted to make it look even better, why not add some mint, some blueberries, and a sprinkling of coconut. The great thing about smoothies is they're so versatile. If you don't like bananas or blueberries, substitute them with something that you do like, but the main focus is around Manuka Honey. So this is my post-workout smoothie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.